Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to open BBVA bank account. So guys, we'll go to this official website and go become a customer. After that guys, scroll down, click become a BBVA customer. After that guys, wait some second. After that, click if you this account for you, click this one and click next. After that, if you choose complete your data automatically or manually, click this one if you are manually and click next. After that, let's get started. Your identifier, write your DNI if you have one, click this one and click I have already term and condition and click this one and click next. From here, complete all your data, provide your mobile phone, and this is the way you can send your account documentation with the SMS code. Write your phone number and email and complete the steps. This is how you can do guys to write your account. I hope this video helpful for you, then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comment and I will answer your question.